Jordan brand is starting 2026 strong with an incredible lineup of releases, and the spotlight is on the Air Jordan 14 University Blue set to drop in March. Originally released in 2006, this iconic colorway pays homage to Michael Jordan's college days at the University of North Carolina. The design features a sleek black suede upper paired with the signature university blue accents on the midsole and surrounding details, while metallic silver touches complete the modern, premium look. This Air Jordan 14 stands out with its clean color blocking and timeless silhouette, making it a must-have for collectors and fans alike. While it shares some similarities with the recently released Gamma Blue 11s, the University Blue is deeply rooted in Michael Jordan's history, giving it a unique appeal. The release is scheduled for March 21, 2026, and will be available in full family sizes. Adult pairs are priced at $105, grade school at $155, preschool at $95, and toddler sizes at $75. Mark your calendars for this classic drop.